What if your dream world could unlock creativity, heal old wounds, and turn nightmares into triumphs? Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hussain Psychology. Last time you learned what lucid dreaming is and mastered key induction techniques like reality checks, journaling, mild, and WTB. Now let's dive into why it was that benefit. 1. Enhanced creativity. Studies show frequent lucid dreamers often outperform non-dreamers on creativity assessments, blending novel ideas in ways that surprise even themselves. Artist Jasmine used a lucid dream to experiment with abstract color combinations. The next morning, she sketched her vision and sold a painting for 3 times higher than her usual price. Research suggests those REM-driven insights tap into the brain's hyper-associative state. Number 2. Deep self-exploration. Lucid dreaming offers a safe arena to explore hidden corners of your psyche. Psychotherapist Vanessa Santos uses lucid dream therapy to help clients process recurring nightmares, transforming symbols of anxiety into sources of insight. One client repeatedly dreamed of drowning. By becoming lucid, she faced the wave head-on, learning that represented overwhelming responsibility. Waking, she restructured her workload and found real-world relief. 3rd, nightmare control. Perhaps the most empowering benefit is turning nightmares into opportunities. With lucid control, you can confront the sources of fear, rewrite the script, and even reprogram the subconscious pattern driving those scary dreams. Viewer Mark conquered his fear of public speaking by transforming the audience into cheering crowds in a lucid dream. Over time, his stage fright vanished in the real world. Beyond the benefit, lucid dreaming also increases self-confidence, improves problem-solving skills, and reduces anxiety. With practice, you will find that you can master any challenge while also developing creative ideas. If you want to boost your confidence, unleash creativity, and turn the tables on your nightmares, learning to lucid dream is a worthwhile investment. Start small, keep track of your dreams, perform your reality checks, and most importantly, have fun. Remember that achieving consistent lucid can take time, but that the benefits are worth it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of Hussain Psychology, where we learn about what you can do to increase your dream recall. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more psychology insights, and share your experiences of lucid dreaming in the comments.